I'll never forget driving through a sudden, blinding midnight downpour with cheap wiper blades that only smeared the rain into an opaque gray paste. Buying the right wipers is a frustrating gamble of decoding confusing connectors and false durability claims, leaving you vulnerable when visibility matters most. To save you that terrifying experience, I've rigorously tested and ranked the 7 best windshield wipers on the market today. Stick around, because the #1 spot completely transformed my driving experience and might just save your life in a storm. 7. Bosch Automotive H281 Rear Wiper Blade. I installed this specific model because Bosch is typically a highly reliable name in automotive parts, and it is actively marketed as featuring an aerodynamic, sturdy frame design. The pre-assembled quick-clip adapter seemed incredibly promising for a fast, straightforward installation process on the back window, which is often neglected, hard-to-reach area on many modern SUVs and hatchbacks. Out of the box, the H281 features a specialized anti-corrosion and graphite coating applied directly to the rubber squeegee. In theory, this specialized coating is meant to significantly reduce friction and provide a smooth, quiet wipe across the glass. Initially, the wiper successfully cleared away the morning dew and light mist, effectively restoring a decent, clear field of view in my rearview mirror during low-speed suburban driving around my neighborhood. However, the prolonged testing revealed some severe structural limitations that left me quite disappointed with its overall long-term performance. The biggest drawback is the brand's use of a conventional, rigid plastic and metal frame rather than a modern, flexible beam design. Because of this outdated structural rigidity, the blade consistently struggled to maintain uniform pressure across the slight curvature of my rear windshield, aggressively leaving prominent, unwiped strips at the outer edges of the glass. Furthermore, the rubber composition degraded surprisingly fast when exposed to intense afternoon sunlight and harsh, freezing weather. Within just a few weeks of rigorous testing, the graphite coating began to wear off completely, leading to a frustrating, high-pitched chattering noise every single time the rear wiper was activated. 6. Anco Contour Beam Wiper Blade. This wiper aims to aggressively provide an infinite number of pressure points for superior blade-to-windshield contact, essentially functioning as a seamless out-of-the-box upgrade for vehicles originally equipped with older, conventional wiper styles. The profile is sleek, and it exclusively utilizes a proprietary Quick Connect installation system. The blade itself features an exclusive DuraClear Plus rubber compound, which Anco confidently claims will provide a consistent, completely streak-free wipe across all 4 seasons. In my early testing phases during light, misty autumn rain, the one-piece beam construction effectively prevented the annoying buildup of wet leaves, pine needles, and road grime that typically clogs up traditional framed wipers. The low-profile aerodynamic spoiler also seemed to keep the blade pressed fairly firmly against the glass at moderate, around-town driving speeds. But the deeper I got into my highway testing, the more the Anco contour began to show significant, dangerous weaknesses in heavy downpours. Despite the marketed pressure point technology, the extreme outer ends of the wiper blade frequently lifted off the glass at highway speeds, catching the oncoming wind and aggressively fluttering. This unexpected wind lift completely compromised the wiping efficiency on the passenger side, creating a dangerous, blurry blind spot right when I urgently needed maximum visibility. Additionally, the proprietary Quick Connect system proved to be far less intuitive and much more fragile than advertised. The plastic adapter piece felt incredibly brittle during the initial installation, and I actually had to force it forcefully into the J-hook to get it to lock securely, which genuinely made me worry about snapping the connection point entirely. 5. JINGOU 26-foot plus 18 front windshield wiper blades. These blades are aggressively marketed as a direct, high-performance replacement for standard factory wipers, prominently featuring a sophisticated aerodynamic spoiler to actively combat high-speed wind lift. I was incredibly eager to see if this relatively newer, modern brand could outshine some of the older, established legacy names in the crowded automotive market. The actual installation process was a massive, refreshing improvement over the Anco contour. The JINGOU blades clicked effortlessly into my vehicle's standard U-hook wiper arms in a matter of seconds, requiring absolutely no extra brute force or confusing, frustrating adapter swapping. Once fully installed, the memory steel spring tension immediately proved its worth by conforming flawlessly to the exact curvature of my windshield, establishing a tight, beautifully uniform seal from the base of the glass all the way to the top edge. During my rigorous testing in heavy, blinding thunderstorms, the JINGOU wipers performed absolutely admirably. The specially blended rubber squeegee glided smoothly across the soaking wet glass, highly efficiently clearing massive volumes of standing water without leaving behind those annoying, hazy streaks that painfully catch the glare of oncoming headlights at night. The aerodynamic spoiler worked exactly as intended, utilizing the oncoming highway wind to press the heavy blade down firmly, completely eliminating any high-speed chattering or dangerous lifting. I was genuinely impressed by their whisper-quiet operation. Even on a nearly dry, dusty windshield, they wiped silently without violently grabbing or skipping across the rough surface. While they certainly lack some of the advanced water-repellent chemical coatings found in top-tier premium models. Four, AUTOBOO 26-inch and 18 windshield wipers blades. I was particularly interested in how this slick Teflon treatment would actively impact the smoothness of the wipe over an extended, grueling testing period. Designed specifically with dual precision tension steel springs, these blades are engineered from the ground up to provide maximum windshield contact and superior all-weather resilience. Right away, the phenomenal build quality of the AUTOBOO blades dramatically stood out. The outer casing feels incredibly robust and highly durable, explicitly designed to aggressively prevent ice and snow buildup by completely eliminating any exposed metal components where freezing moisture typically accumulates and destroys conventional blades. Fitting them to the car was incredibly straightforward, seamlessly offering an OEM-style fit that required zero aftermarket modifications and satisfyingly locked into place with a reassuring, solid click. The true, undeniable magic of the AUTOBOO wipers became vividly apparent the exact moment the heavy rain started falling. Thanks directly to the Teflon coating, the rubber squeegee moves with practically zero friction across the glass. It produces an incredibly smooth, completely silent wipe, gracefully and violently sweeping away heavy rain, frozen sleet, and even the occasional splash of thick, oily road mud from passing commercial trucks. The internal tension springs distribute the downward pressure flawlessly, intelligently ensuring that the very tips of the long 26-inch driver's side blade wipe just as effectively as the thick center. Over an entire month of rigorous daily testing, these blades showed absolutely zero signs of degradation, maintaining their sharp, precision wiping edge perfectly. 3. PIAA C-Tech Silicone Wiper Blade. Unlike traditional rubber blades that just physically push water away, the PIAA C-Tech uses an advanced silicone rubber compound that actively coats your windshield with a water-repellent barrier every single time it wipes. It is a sleek, flat, frameless beam design that confidently promises a longer lifespan than a traditional rubber wiper blade. The initial setup involves a crucial, mandatory prep step: running the wipers on a perfectly dry, clean windshield for a few minutes to deeply embed the silicone coating directly into the microscopic pores of the glass. Once this invisible, powerful barrier is firmly established, the driving results are nothing short of spectacular. Water instantly beads up into tiny, tight droplets and violently rolls off the windshield at normal driving speeds, drastically improving your visibility even before the wiper blade makes its next mechanical pass. The structural design of the C-Tech blade is equally impressive and highly functional. The low-profile, frameless architecture completely eliminates the metal truss structure that typically catches winter snow and ice, making it an absolute powerhouse for extreme, blinding cold weather driving. Furthermore, the premium silicone material is naturally highly resistant to ozone, UV degradation, and extreme temperature fluctuations, meaning it remains soft and highly pliable in conditions that would cause standard natural rubber to instantly harden, crack, and fail completely. In my extensive cross-country testing, the PIAA C-Tech consistently provided a supremely smooth, totally chatter-free gliding action that felt incredibly premium and luxurious. While the actual installation process can be slightly more involved due to the large assortment of included adapters, the massive payoff is a vastly superior, long-lasting blade that actively fights the harsh elements. Two, Rain-X 5079276-2 Repellency Water Repellent Wiper Blades. I have always been a massive fan of Rain-X liquid glass treatments, so testing a premium beam blade that directly and automatically integrates their patented water-repelling formula was incredibly exciting. The synthetic rubber squeegee is expertly engineered to withstand extreme weather conditions, while the blade itself is designed to intelligently transfer a water-repellent coating directly onto the windshield as you drive. Installing the Rain-X Latitude is an absolute breeze, highly streamlined thanks to a highly versatile, pre-installed universal adapter that instantly clicked onto my wiper arms without a single issue. Following the package instructions, I effectively activated the repellent by running the wipers on a medium wet windshield. Almost magically, the glass transformed. The patented 2-in-1 technology applies a water repellent that causes heavy rainwater to bead up and literally roll off the glass, significantly reducing the amount of mechanical work the wipers actually had to do. The advanced beam blade technology utilized in the Latitude model provides spectacularly uniform, heavy pressure along the entire length of the flexible blade, naturally and beautifully contouring to the exact curvature of the glass. This perfectly translates to a virtually streak-free wipe, easily and aggressively clearing away harsh winter sleet and heavy slush without leaving any blinding, dangerous residue behind. The built-in aerodynamic spoiler also does a fantastic job of preventing wind lift, keeping the blade firmly planted against the glass for a remarkably quiet operation. Throughout my intense testing, the continuous, automatic reapplication of the Rain-X formula meant that my crucial visibility was dramatically enhanced in every single violent storm. The synthetic rubber heavily proved to be exceptionally tough, actively resisting wear and tear far better than traditional materials. 1. Bosch Icon Beam Wiper Blade. I have personally tested countless wipers over the years, and the Bosch Icon consistently, aggressively outperforms every single competitor on the market, period. It exclusively utilizes an advanced ClearMax 365 rubber technology and an FX dual rubber compound, proudly promising an incredibly long lifespan and unmatched all-weather performance that professional mechanics and driving enthusiasts completely swear by. The moment you pull the Bosch Icon out of the packaging, the premium, heavy-duty quality is instantly undeniable. It features a brilliantly designed, asymmetrical flexible tension spring arc that dynamically creates a customized, hyper-accurate contour to your specific windshield shape. This custom-fit tension actively ensures that every single millimeter of the heavy blade maintains aggressive, consistent contact with the glass. The installation is also brilliantly simple, utilizing a highly durable, weather-shielded connector system that quickly snaps into place securely and completely protects the locking mechanism from freezing ice. In the absolute worst, terrifying torrential downpours I could physically find, the Bosch Icon performed utterly flawlessly. The specialized ClearMax 365 rubber compound cleanly sheared away thick sheets of water with absolute, surgical precision, leaving behind a crystal-clear, immaculate field of view with absolutely zero streaking, zero hazing, and zero terrifying chattering. The asymmetrical wind spoiler design ingeniously utilizes the extreme aerodynamic force of the highway wind to violently press the blade down with extreme force, ensuring peak performance even at highly elevated speeds. What truly and definitively separates the Bosch Icon from the rest of the crowded pack is its astonishing, unmatched durability.